weird. Mark refused to let me buy anything pink. When my sister threw us a baby shower and people brought girl clothes, he donated them all without telling me. He'd already enrolled Mark Jr. in this all-boys prep school and put down a non-refundable deposit. I tried showing him the ultrasound pictures, but he said the technology wasn't always accurate. The day Lindsay was born should have been the happiest day of our lives. But when the doctor announced, "She's here," Mark's face just went blank. He wouldn't cut the umbilical cord, wouldn't hold her. While I was hemorrhaging and the nurses were trying to stop the bleeding, Mark was standing in the corner of the delivery room on his phone. After we brought Lindsay home, Mark completely checked out. He wouldn't say her name, called her the baby, or it. He moved into the guest room and said it was because he needed sleep for work, but I knew the truth. He couldn't stand looking at her. His mother came by one day and actually said to me, "Don't worry, dear, the next one will be right." Like my beautiful daughter was some kind of mistake. Then came the day that still makes my hands shake. I asked Mark to watch Lindsay while I took a shower. Just 15 minutes. When I came out, the house felt wrong, too quiet. I called out for Mark and got no answer. Lindsay's car seat was gone. His keys were missing from the hook. I called his